The unhappiness hump is fading, and it's not because we're happier, because young people are less happy. Previously, middle age was marked by a period of heightened dissatisfaction, creating a sharp dip between youth and old age. But now, this pattern is disappearing, not because people are genuinely happier in midlife, but because young people are less content than they were decades ago. This revelation comes from Alex Bryson, a researcher at University College London, who analyzed data from 145 countries and found that happiness peaks around age 30 and declines after 70. Even primates like orangutans and chimpanzees show similar trends, suggesting a universal pattern of emotional fluctuation across species. However, Bryson's latest study, based on national mental health surveys in the US and UK, reveals a startling shift. The unhappiness hump has vanished globally. By 2024, the US survey tracked 10 million adults over 30 years, while the UK study examined 40,000 households from 2009 to 2023. These findings are even more striking when compared to Global Minds, a 2020 to 2024 research project tracking nearly 2 million people across 44 countries, including the US and UK. The data shows that in every nation studied, the unhappiness hump has been replaced by a gradually decreasing curve as life becomes more content with age. So, are we now happier in our 40s? Bryson firmly says no. Middle-aged people are sort of middling, he explains. The real changes are in the lower half of the age spectrum. The new trend is strongest in high-income English-speaking nations like the UK and US, but weakens in regions with limited internet access, such as Tanzania, where only 32% of people had internet in 2022. In Tanzania, young people without internet access reported significantly higher happiness than those with it, a gap that researchers hope to explore further. Reduced youth happiness, as highlighted in a recent New Scientist article, could stem from factors like social media overuse, pandemic-induced isolation, or barriers to accessing mental health care. But Bryson emphasizes that the root cause may be more nuanced. Whether this shift signals a generational change or a reflection of broader societal shifts remains unclear. Yet one thing is certain. The emotional landscape of adulthood is evolving, and the question of what that means for future generations is ripe for debate.